So I pulled over to get gas, but I'm gonna be honest, I really don't think I need any. I'm still at 3 bars. And I'm like 5 minutes away from home. But I am gonna go inside and get a drink.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Damn, this is a sick ass car. But mine looks better. Guys, my bike just cut off. Oh god, I hope it's not broken. Alright, let's see if she'll turn back on. Please, 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 Jixer bruh. Please, Jixer bruh, give it the power to turn back on. Thank you, Jixer bruh.